I used to be a factory hand when things were moving slow. When children worked in cotton mills, each morning had to go. And every morning just at 5, the whistle blew on 5. And called those babies out of bed at the age of 8 or 9. Come out of bed, little sleepyhead, and get your bite to eat. The factory whistle's calling you. There's no more time to sleep. The children, they grew up unlearned, and they never went to school. Well, they never learned to read and write, but they learned to spin and spool. And every time I close my eyes, I see that picture still. When textile work was carried on with babies in the mill. Come out of bed, little sleepyhead, and get your bite to eat. The factory whistle's calling you. There's no more time to sleep. And to their job, those little ones were strictly forced to go. Those babies had to be on time through rain and sleet and snow. And then at times when things went wrong, their bosses all would frown. And many times those little ones was kicked and shoved around. Come out of bed, little sleepyhead, and get your bite to eat. The factory whistle's calling you. There's no more time to sleep. Old timer, can't you see that scene back through the years gone by? Those babies went out on the jobs, the same as you and I. And I know you're glad that things have changed, for we have lots of fun as we go in and do the jobs that the babies used to run. Come out of bed, little sleepyhead, and get your